Trump to prosecute political rivals, a federal judge has dismissed criminal cases against former FBI Director James Comey and New York Attorney General Letitia James. The court ruled that the U.S. attorney who filed the charges at Trump's urging was illegally appointed by the Justice Department. And James Comey and Letitia James have been longtime critics of Donald Trump. They accused the Trump Justice Department of violating the U.S. Constitution's appointments clause and a federal law by appointing Halligan in September. The ruling throws out two cases Trump had publicly called for as he pushed Justice Department leaders to move against Comey and James. Lindsay Halligan, a former personal lawyer to Trump, was named interim U.S. attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia in September to lead both investigations, despite having no prior prosecutorial experience. Now, the judge found that Halligan had no legal authority to bring indictments against either Comey or James. In a video posted on Instagram, Comey said that the case against him the Justice Department has become under Donald Trump.
I'm grateful that the court ended the case against me, which was a prosecution based on malevolence and incompetence, and a reflection of what the Department of Justice has become under Donald Trump, which is heartbreaking. But I was also inspired by the example of the career people who refused to be part of this travesty. It cost some of them their jobs, which is painful, but it preserved their integrity, which is beyond price. And I know they will serve again.
Responding to the federal judge's decision, White House Press Secretary Carolyn Leavitt said the U.S. Justice Department will appeal the decision to dismiss criminal charges against former FBI Director James Comey. Leavitt claimed the judge was trying to shield Letitia James and James Comey.
Lindsay Halligan was legally appointed, and that's the administration's position. I know there was a judge who is clearly trying to shield Letitia James and James Comey from receiving accountability, and that's why they took this unprecedented action to throw away the indictments against these two individuals. But the Department of Justice will be appealing very soon, and it is our position that Lindsay Halligan is extremely qualified for this position, but more importantly, was legally appointed to it.
As FBI Director Comey oversaw the investigation into alleged ties between Trump's 2016 election campaign and the Russian government, and later called Trump unfit for office, James, an elected Democrat, successfully sued Trump and his family real estate company for fraud. Trump had ordered Bondi to install Halligan to the post after her predecessor, Eric Siebert, declined to pursue charges against Comey or James, citing a lack of credible evidence in both cases.